Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back with Miss Lisa Sudarsono. Dear students, welcome to the fourth session of the online material. This week we can learn about the different kinds of business letters. The purpose of this material, the students to be able to distinguish different kinds of business writing and write a business letter accurately and appropriately. You can find this topic in Module 4. Please study the materials and enrichment links below. Afterwards, please participate in discussion forum 4 and submit to assignment 1 if you have not. Good luck for you all. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.